The project Prediction Analysis and a Smart Mask-based social distancing system for COVID-19 is a funded project by the Research and Innovation Department, Ministry of Higher Education under COVID-19 Research Program. This project is awarded second place in IP and Artificial Intelligence competition by Omani Association of Intellectual Property. The objective of our research work is come up with a possible non-clinical approach to limit the catastrophic impact of the COVID-19. A team of researchers from UTS HCT and Royal Hospital Oman contributed on this project to tackle COVID-19. Our research work mainly focused on three objectives. Objective 1. We have developed a mathematical model called a deterministic compartment model to study the pandemic situation in Sultanate of Oman. It consists of 9 differential equations that took into account susceptible, exposed, asymptomatic, hospitalized, critical, and recovered individuals. The severity pyramid of the disease is shown here. It consists of 9 differential equations and the corresponding basic reproduction number is shown here based on the data from June 4th to October 26th. And the graph highlights the epidemic evolution and basic reproduction number for different periods. In our objective 2, we have developed a machine learning model to determine the severity of the disease by assessing the initial laboratory parameters of the patient admitted in the hospital. And we computed a clinical score in the range 0 to 5, which helps the doctors to take a decision on whether a patient needs to admit in hospital or not. We have identified 8 potential parameters. By inputting different values on this, so we can get a value in the range 0 to 5. Hospitalization period, absolute lymphocyte count, C-reactive protein, lacta dehydrogen, and curve score, and other values also, whether some information regarding their shortness of breath and chest X-ray, etc. It calculates a value in the range 0 to 5. So here you can see the score is 4 and 74.5 chances to admitted in ICU. In our objective 3, we have developed a smart shield to screen the person whom we communicate with by detecting their temperature and a safe distance. When we cross the safe social distancing limit of 1 meter, device will give an indication through LED. And if the temperature is more than 37.5 degree, again it will give an indication through alarm also. It is very much useful for health workers, police officers and other first responders who have to be in frequent contact with the public. This is the prototype of the model that we have developed. We have developed a 2 prototype. So it consists of one ultrasonic sensor and an infrared sensor. The temperature also evaluate at the same time. The distance also it calculates. On behalf of our research team, we would like to thank UTSHT Management, Research and Innovation Department, Ministry of Higher Education, Ministry of Health, and doctors from Royal Hospital and Omani Association for Intellectual Property for their valuable support and giving us this opportunity to take part in this project. Thank you, everyone.